Now, tell me if I'm crazy. Tell me if I'm crazy. But these Bordeaux laces right here, I don't know. What do you guys think with the PSG 4s? What do you think? I don't know. I don't even know if this is going to make it into the video, me talking about this, because I'm kind of rambling right now. But let me know. Let me know. YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And in today's video, I have a pretty polarizer sneaker in front of me, man. It's a sneaker that I personally have been very excited about ever since it was released, either earlier this year or late 2020, man. It was a sneaker that I was excited about coming out, but some people weren't so excited. And before we get into it though, before we do get into this video, if you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. We just hit 2,100 subscribers. Loving the support you guys are showing, man. Let's go ahead and hit this 3K ASAP. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you want to support the channel, all I ask, you take the half a second to go ahead, smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the videos, you know what I'm saying? Pushes the videos out to more people, which can help us grow the channel. And last but not least, man, go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. Get all the information up there first, poll, stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff, man. Now let's get into this video. And here we go. Now, real quick before I do show you the shoes, man, I just want to let you guys know I'm still pumping out videos. I'm still a sneaker YouTuber. I'm still doing my thing. Almost dropped the shoe right there. Just those of you that know, man, I coach college football. Obviously, that is this time of the year, so it's a crunch time for me right now. You know what I'm saying, for the next couple months. But regardless, let's get into the shoe, man. Quick shout out to the boys over at Hype Room CT. You would have seen I've done videos with them before in the past. That's where I was able to go and pick these up. And you guys can see the box right here. Nothing special. Same box you get on any Jordan 6. And it is an Air Jordan 6 Retro. The colorway is black Bordeaux. What's that say? Black Bordeaux. Like graphite, whatever, size 12. You guys don't care about this box, man. Let's get that thing out of the way. I already took the shoes out. No special packaging, which I was surprised because another shoe did have the packaging, but that's enough talking, man. Here is the sneaker, the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux. YouTube, you guys can see it right here, man. The Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux, or the Bordeaux 6. I absolutely love these, man. Now, I know a lot of people don't. Shout out to the homie, the Outsole. And it's not that you don't like them. It's not that the Outsole doesn't like them, but I know a lot of people don't like these more than the 7s. Me personally, well, I know what I'm about to say is about to be blasphemous to a lot of people, but I actually like these more than the 7s.
What did he say?
Main reason, I'm just not a big 7 guy. Like, you guys see the collection, go back and watch every single one of my videos. I don't have any reviews of 7s. I don't own any 7s anymore. I've owned one pair of 7s. I had the Olympic 7s that came out, I want to say they came out in 2016 or 2017. I had those, sold them. I'm not a big Jordan 7 guy. That being said, the Jordan 7 does have some dope colorways, this being one of them, and I do love Jordan 6s, so I'm super happy to see this colorway come to a 6. Now, real quick, as you guys can see, we do get the laces right here that come with it, and you know what I'm saying, I'm not worried about like keeping anything dead stock or whatever for anybody, so let me pull these laces off right now. Here they go. I got the damn little plastic joint stuck in the lace hole. There it is. Get these off of there. But we do come with a pair of Bordeaux laces, which is cool. I'm not gonna put the Bordeaux laces in here. The 7s don't come with Bordeaux laces. I don't really think they need these. I think that would add too much pop to this shoe. The thing I really like about this colorway is it's real calm. For the most part, it's a black and gray sneaker, and the hits of color that it does have is a nice calm, I don't want to say muted, but the Bordeaux color, man. Absolutely love that maroon, burgundy, whatever you want to call it. And then obviously you do get your hits of yellow like you have on the 7 as well. And then on the tongue and the insole, you get some of your greens. On the back, you get that green there, that little teal that shows up on the 7. I actually really like these, man. I love how they came out. Now, first of all, just off rip talking about the quality, I'm not surprised by the quality on these. The quality on these is really good, and I'm not surprised. And the reason why I'm not surprised And I don't know why some people are, is if you remember this sneaker when it came out, the Air Jordan 6 Hair, the quality on this is some of the best quality I've seen on 6s. Now, granted, it is leather on the overlays, but that's a really, really nice leather on the overlays. The suede right there is really, I don't even want to call that suede. The synthetic nubuck situation right there is really, really nice on the toe and on the quarter panels on these. And they stayed consistent with the quality here. Now, this is the synthetic nubuck all the way around, but it's a really, really nice feeling soft. As soft as you could get on the 6. Jordan 6s are thin, so it's rare that you're going to get like super, super plush suede unless it's something that's completely lifestyle only, like the Travis Scott 6 or something like that, right? But this is great Jordan 6 quality, man. I absolutely love these. Let's go around some of the details of the shoe. Let's start on the outsole right away. You see that bright yellow Jumpman sticking out, man. Once again, indicative of the Air Jordan 7 Bordeaux. Now, unlike Air Jordan 7s, there's not as many panels on the outsole, so they couldn't do too much with the colors. But once again, similar to what they kind of did on the Hair 6. Like, I like how they gave us that yellow hit right there and the little small Bordeaux accent in the back, just like they did on the Hairs. They gave us that purple Jumpman. I do have a sole protector on here. They gave us that purple Jumpman with that bright neon green in the back. Absolutely love it, man. These are super, super dope. Like I said, I did go ahead and grab these from the guys over at Hype Room. I've done some videos with them in the past, picked up a few shoes from them. I obviously picked up these. That's where I got my Black Cement 3s, my Sakai Blazers. I got a lot of things from them. What else? I got some Columbia, the Legend Blue 11s from them. That's all I can think of off the top of my head. I know I got some more stuff from them. But that's what comes to my mind right now when I think of Hype Room, man. But those guys are dope over there, and this is a dope sneaker. Just some smaller details. Now, it's an old sneaker by the time you're seeing this, so I'm not going to go too crazy with it. But on the heel, we do have the black Jumpman Air. Not the Nike Air. Doesn't need to be the Nike Air. I guess you could make the argument that maybe they could put a Nike Air there, since technically it's an OG colorway, but it's not on the sneaker that it originally came out with. If that makes sense. You know what I mean? Like, this is like the Carmine, the Air Jordan 6 Carmine. That's an original sneaker, original colorway, right? But like, if a Carmine 7 came out, granted there's no Nike or Jumpman on the back, you got the 2-3 there, but it's kind of the same thing as like if a Carmine 7 were to come out, which I know a lot of people would really love, because there are a lot of people that do really, really like 7s and maybe don't like 6s as much. But for me, I'm always 6s over 7s. Absolutely love these right here. Now, let me loosen these up. Now, one of the big, I guess, accent points or like style points or whatever you want to call it, the big points of emphasis on the Jordan 7 is the tongue. Now, the 6 tongue, still same material. You get that neoprene tongue, but we still do get the neoprene tongue. And on the back, we have the abstract art resembling what we get on the tongue of the Air Jordan 7, the Bordeaux version. And then I don't know how well you can see that. I might have to attach a picture to the screen, but we also get a Bordeaux themed insole, similar to what we get on the Hair 6s. Now, these are absolutely, now what do these retail for? Before I go ahead, because that may make a difference in what I'm about to say. These retailed for $190. Okay, that's what I thought. These retail for $190. Like I said, I got them from Hype Room. They didn't hit me over the head, nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? They took care of me. So I'm really happy to get them for the price that I got them for. That's why it's good to have connections, you know what I'm saying? They helped me out, actually gave me a little discount. Looked out for your boy a little bit. But yeah, these were $190 retail. I believe these were $200 or $220. Correct me if I'm wrong. And the biggest reason why I can see quality of the shoes are both on par. Quality of both of these shoes are dope, and the quality is definitely there. But presentation on these was way better. If you guys remember the Hair 6s, I'm not going to go dig out the box for these right now, but the Hair 6 came with like that off-whitish gray box with the big carrot on it, because of the carrot. It came out around Easter, hair, bunny, all of that stuff, right? And on the paper on the inside, it had like the hair pattern, like what we get on the back of the tongue there and on the insole as well. But this just came in regular Jordan 6 packaging, which at the end of the day, man, you don't wear the box. And if it's going to cut $10 or $30 off of the price, hey, I'm all for it, man. Absolutely love these sneakers. Gonna get a lot of wear out of me, man. Super easy to wear. Like, as much as I love these, as much as I love my Carmines, I don't know if you guys can see them back there. I might be sitting in front of them. As much as I love my Carmines, my other 6s, this is like a super easy colorway to wear. You know what I'm saying? It's a super easy colorway to wear. This also, too, I should mention that it does have the 3M like underlay on the side, just like any other Air Jordan 6, man. But let me know what you guys think about these, man. The Outsole, I know you're watching this, you're cringing because I like these more than the 7s, you know what I'm saying? But I like any Air Jordan 6 more than 7s. I'll take any 6. If you can compare any colorway, like a 6 to a 7, 6 to a 7, I'll take the 6 every single time. That being said, I do really like what they are doing with this, and it would be cool to see them to start putting some OG 6 colorways on 7s. The reason why I say that, and I know that's not how things originally released, but if you look at all the Jordans, really, right? You look at the Air Jordan 1, the Air Jordan 2, 3, 4, 5, really the first 5. You have the Chicago 1, Chicago 2, Fire Red 3, which is basically the Chicago 3, Fire Red 4, which is basically the Chicago 4, Fire Red 5, basically the Chicago 5, right? You got the Bread 1. Now it's debatable. You could go Bread 1. We'll say it's the Shadow 1, right? Well, I'll go Bread 1. You got the Bread 1, then you got the Black Cement 3, then you got the Black Cement 4, then you got the Silver Tongue, like the Black Silver Tongue 5, right? All of those colors basically go all the way up to each other. It wasn't until we got, and really when you go to the 6s too, right? Chicago 1, Chicago 2, Fire Red 3, Fire Red 4, Fire Red 5. Carmine 6 is basically the Fire Red or the Chicago 6, right? The 7 is where colorways kind of changed a little bit, and it wasn't until, right, the 7 had the Bordeaux, they had the hairs, which we didn't really see on any other model, and it wasn't really until we got to the 10 that we started to see like repeat colorways on different models again. For example, the original Steel 10, the Concord 11, the Taxi 12, you know what I'm saying? They're all black and white or white and black colorways, so it's really, really cool to see them bring this colorway to, you know what I mean, to a 6, right? And I know with the hairs, there's a hair 1, right? It would be cool if maybe we got a hair 3 or a hair 4 or a hair 8 or a hair 12 or whatever it is, right? Or a Bordeaux 3 or a Bordeaux. Now there is a Bordeaux 12, but it's not like this type of Bordeaux 12, you know what I mean? It's not the black and the gray with the Bordeaux accents. Like, to me, a Bordeaux 12 would be like the black upper of the 12 with the basketball print part being this gray, and then the little accent Jumpman on it being the Bordeaux color, the actual Bordeaux color, and maybe the lace locks being Bordeaux. That would be like a Bordeaux 12 to me. But man, I'm going on a rant here, man. I absolutely love these, man. So happy that I have these. Shout out to the guys over at Hype Room again, man. Thank you for you know what I'm saying, holding it down for your boy. Really happy that they were actually able to get these in my size, and this was the only pair that they had when I was in the store. I don't know about their other store. They actually do have 2 locations now, but when I went, this was the only size that they had. So if you want a size 12, they do not have them right now. But follow their Instagram, man. You'll definitely see if they do get a pair. They'll update that on there. But that is it for this video, you guys. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of this sneaker. I told you guys, me personally, I absolutely love these. This is a dope sneaker to me. I'm gonna wear these. I might wear these tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how much I like these. Like, I really, really like these. Love how they came out. Love the quality on them. Love 6s in general. They're in my top 5 favorite Jordan silhouettes. And I'm happy to see the Bordeaux colorway make its way to the 6. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, man. If you are new here, though, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. You know what I'm saying? We just hit, I don't even want to say 2,000. We just hit the 2,100 subscriber mark at the time of me recording this video. We're at 2,109 subscribers, man. I want to make sure I get the exact number because I'm grateful to each and every one of you. Also, take the time to go ahead, smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms, helps push the videos out to more people, which can help bring more people to the channel. More people we get here, the more videos I can make, the more I could do. So I really, really appreciate all of that support that you guys have. And then also, man, take the time to go ahead, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, polls, stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff, man. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.